I historically have studied healthy aging with the motivation of trying to identify what differentiates people that age well versus those that have more challenges, cognitive decline, and brain health issues as they age, in order to identify ways to intervene and what factors support optimal aging. And we could
Mhm.
approach menopause the same way, so we can
Yeah.
minimize the disruptions females experience during, especially given, there's all of this work going on now because females are part of the workforce and we're leaders in our field at this stage of our life. And so we really need to develop opportunities and intervention and approaches that really can help us continue to achieve our maximum potential.
I can't tell you the number of times I'm at an event or talking to women in leadership, and first off, they don't know necessarily that the brain fog and the lack of patience and the lack of motivation and the fatigue are even associated with menopause. And so once you sort of have that conversation, there's this huge sense of relief. And so it's followed by, what's wrong with me? Am I always going to be like this? And an erosion of confidence. And so we see women either downplaying their role, either, maybe taking time off and not being as effective, or actually leaving
Mhm.
the workforce altogether. And so getting a handle on, how do we support that brain fog cognitive challenge during that time is so important
It is.
for women.
It is. And
Um,
knowing,
yeah.
like having care and options are important, to be educated, to know what your options are and how to approach this transition in a healthy way.